Oof, this. Hello there darlings, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year. If it's your first time, welcome. My name is Edwige and I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring you something a little bit different. I would like to share my favorite products or new products that's in my collection, whether it's fragrance, clothes, makeup. And lately I've been really into makeup. I want to learn new tricks. I've been watching all the girlies do their makeup and I feel like my makeup is changing. I want to lift my face a lot more when I do my makeup. I want my makeup to be camera ready, you know, all those jazz. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed yet, babe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on anything. Follow me on my other platforms as well, such as Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Everything will be in the description box. I will also link everything in the description box for you. So here are some things that I picked up and some are from PR. The first item that I purchased is this huge Chanel highlighter. I saw this originally in Dubai with my sister. I love the packaging first of all, and I've been looking for a Chanel mirror for when I do my makeup, and I just thought this would be so perfect because it's huge. And the color itself looks like so. Let me show you. It's like this. Oh oh my god, I just scratched it. I'm so sorry. It's this like beautiful champagne. I like that it's a subtle color. It's not too much. It's something that looks very I'm not wearing it on today. I don't have it on today, but it's something that's super light. It's super light. It doesn't show too hard. I find that a lot of highlighters in the market at the moment tend to be too they're too dusty and I don't like that look. So I love this. I've used it once and it was so beautiful, especially for my nose highlight because I don't like a strong highlight on my nose. So this is super beautiful from Chanel Beauty. It's the diamond dust, okay? This is what they call it, and just look at the packaging, babe. Next item is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finish Powder. The girlies have been going crazy about this and I finally wanted to try it. I love the whole bright under eye, and I feel like sometimes I get it wrong, but lately, like I mentioned, my makeup game has been on point. Whenever I've gone to like events and stuff, the girls are like, oh my god, your makeup is so good. Who did it? Like, did you get it done? Lala, are you a makeup artist? And I'm like, no babe, but you know. So, and I realized that one of the things that's making my makeup pop is paying extra attention to my under eye, and I decided to go for this. Now I don't know if this is the small or the actual size, because it does look quite small. But whenever I see the girlies talk about this and hold it, it always tend to look a lot bigger. I don't know, maybe it's just me, who knows. But I decided to go for the shade medium to medium. And it looks like so. I haven't used it just yet. I haven't used this just yet, but I know that a few girlies that I follow that are the same color as me absolutely love this and they swear by this, and they also wear it in medium too. So I'm really looking forward to it. This is what it looks like. It's perfect for like that airbrush under eye. And the trick that the girlies have been telling me, I don't know, should I tell you or should I wait? I don't know. Should I tell you the secret to the perfect under eye? I don't know. I might gatekeep it for myself. No, I'm joking. So basically the girlies have been saying when you apply your concealer, you need to apply your pressed powder to your eyes, okay? Apply your pressed powder and then followed by your powder, like your loose powder. After your loose powder, dust it away with the pressed powder, and this is how you're gonna get that airbrushed flawless under eye. And I'm yet to try it with this, but I have tried it with a different powder and it was mwah, chef's kiss. So I'm so excited for this. I do now need to get a I need to get like a finished powder for my face. I do have the YSL one And I like it. It's nice because it's like it's very light. So, but I do want to get the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish because I like the effect that it leaves to the skin, you know. Moving on to lips, I got this Giorgio Armani Prisma gloss in number 9. I've heard so many great things about this. I feel like I've been neglecting my lip game, and your girl wants to, you know, switch it up, and so far I'm loving it. I feel like I've elevated my lip game. It just looks super juicy, super kissable. You know, I'm a lip gloss type of girl, so I want to have as much lip glosses as possible. So I purchased this beautiful radiant color. It has like a slight shimmer to it. It's quite reflective, that's it. It's quite reflective, beautiful, and it's a beautiful light pink. I feel like this is great for like finishing off your lipstick, adding it on top of your lipstick. It just adds the most beautiful color, and I love it. I'm here for it. Does it smell of anything? No, it doesn't smell of nothing. It feels very light on the lips, and mwah. Sticking with the lip glosses, I also purchased these NYX glosses. This is in Madeline and Lava Cake. This Madeline is stunning nude. I don't know why I've never tried NYX glosses. Is it NYX? NYX. Before the police, the pronunciation police comes for me. So NYX, NYX, whatever you call it. These are so good. Why did no one tell me? Why did no one tell me that these were the holy grails? Why did no one tell me that this was the truth? I'm gonna hold this against you guys. Why didn't nobody tell me? Why? These are so beautiful. I love this color for adding it as a layer on top of my lipstick, especially when I want that really, you know, nude gloss. And then the secret to this this color, Lava Cake, you're probably thinking, why did you go so dark? Because you know I love a bright pink lip. This is to add on top of my lip liner. Babe, try it and thank me later. I did it today. Can you see that my lip liner doesn't look dry? It looks juicy. It looks kissable. It looks mwah. I love it. So what you do is you line your lips, and then you apply this on top, or you apply your lipstick, lip gloss, and then you go over your liner. You go over your line with this. So basically you take this and then you go over your line like that. Like that. And then you do it to your bottom lip. You can even bring it in between here, because I find that I learned a trick, I don't know from who, that even when you do like a really light lip liner, light brown lip liner or dark, always make the inner corners of your lips even a little bit more darker. It emphasizes the juiciness. So love it. Moving on to blush. If you know me, then you know that I love a good blush. I find it's just, I don't know, it's so sexy, it's so feminine. It's like a feminine touch that you add to your makeup that just makes you look flirtatious. This is House of Labs by Lady Gaga. I have been doing my research and the girls love this. It's a beauty. So if you love NARS Taj Mahal, if you love Taj Mahal from NARS, I think you will love this. This is a beautiful peachy pink orange blush. It's called French Rosette. I have it on today and it's just I don't know how to explain it. It's so good, it's so yummy. It's like blushing. It gives you like that vibe, like you're blushing. You look so healthy. It's super natural. It just looks like you're blushing from within. Yeah, that's her. We have Rare Beauty. This is Mesmerize Highlighter. This is my first product from Rare Beauty and I'm so impressed. I was looking for a beautiful champagne-y highlighter that was kind of rosy, you know, something that was quite reflective and just out of this world, and I came across this. And it's so beautiful on. Yeah, I have it on today and it's just like this beautiful champagne-y, rosy. It's quite strong, like it's very pigmented. Look at that, it's very, very pigmented. So you got a little goes a very long way. That was like one dab. It goes a little, definitely goes a long way. It's in like these small tiny pods, but I think they're beautiful. Love it. Long lasting, and they look very expensive, and you look healthy. Like it gives you that healthy glow, and I'm here for it. Love, love. Lastly, for the items that I purchased, we have this Chanel essential balm stick. This is in Moonlight Kiss. Now I have been looking for this for so long. I originally saw this on a bae, but she has the most perfect skin, and she was talking about this and said how this really adds like this natural from within sort of highlight. You can use this on your nose, on your high cheek points, you can use it on your lid, you can use it as a highlighter, as a shadow. Like you can use it for so many different things. You can use it on your body to add that natural glow. And I ended up getting the Moonlight Kiss. Originally I wanted something golden or something like that, but this was kind of like a beautiful rosy. This is what it looks like, basically like that, and it's the balm stick. On my hand it's right there. This was the other one, so it's like this, not greasy, but like this glowy. I don't have it on today, but maybe I should apply. But I find that it's better to apply this before you use your powders. But I've already applied everything, so you can't really see much because I've already matted my face down with sprays and everything. But it's better to use this before. So you apply your blusher, you apply your highlighter, and then you go ahead with your powders. And you need to apply the lightest amount of powder here where you apply the highlighter, just to give it that glowy kind of finish. I'm gonna use it here as well, but I don't know if you can see. Has that changed anything? But yeah, like I said, you won't be able to see nothing, but I love this thing. It's so cute. From Prada, we have a primer. I'm yet to use this. I've heard so much about Prada Beauty, especially their lip glosses and lipstick. I'm really excited to try that. The primer is okay. Smells quite nice, and it's like a silicone. It's a silicone base primer, and it just melts into your skin. So this will be really good for like blurring out those oils. Next up, we have this monochrome lipstick from Prada. I love the packaging so much. Look at that. It's a beautiful peachy pink, kind of matches my lips right now. So beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear this. Love, love. I'm just gonna swatch it here for you. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? Wow, insane. I love these types of nudes, and I love this. Oh, the packaging. I love the contrast of the silver and gold. Chef's kiss, love. And they also sent me this compact dimension. How do I open this? This is a palette, eyeshadow palette, looks like so. The colors in here I don't really wear. Well, the champagne gold is nice, but you know what, you never know, we might be able to make this work. Oh, do you know what, looking at it I was like, oh, I'm not sure these are pigmented. But babe, I just literally swatched my, what was that? Oh, I've lost the brushes. I just literally swatched it, and oh, because I applied the primer there. Okay, let me just remove this. Look at that, it's a beautiful orange color. Okay, I see you, Prada. I see you, baby, shaking that ass. So next up, we have fragrance from Prada. This is the Paradoxe by Prada. It's a beautiful fragrance. I love the packaging. It's super beautiful, very unique. And let's go ahead and smell it. Ooh, This fragrance is super beautiful. This is a floral amber fragrance with hints of neroli. This beautiful fragrance is literally everything. I didn't realize how much I love neroli as a note. It's so beautiful. It just adds like this sophistication. It makes the fragrance more rich. And Haus of Guerlain has a neroli fragrance that I need to get in my collection because it smelled similar to this, but this just has that amber which adds that sexiness and warmth. We've got the floral that adds that girly and sort of powdery vibe, and it's just explosive. I think you should definitely check this out. It smells insane. I don't know what the longevity is yet, but I will test it out and I'll come back to you. There are so much other fragrances to show you. I will be doing more fragrance videos. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see it. Okay, I think that's everything. Is there more? I'm sure Prada sent me more. No? Oh, yeah, there's one more item. We have a lip balm from the House of Prada. It's a similar packaging to the lipstick, and this time it's just all silver, like so. And I believe it's green inside. Interesting. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how hydrating this is. I'm not particularly a fan of these lipstick lip balms. I've tried a few right now and it's just not my thing. I love Laneige lip balm and I haven't used it for like 2 weeks and my lips has been splitting. I had to order it this morning because I had one from NARS. It just didn't cut it. I'm yet to try this, so I don't know. I will give it a try and I'll let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I think this year I do want to try something different, give you reviews, give you like new in products, do like separate videos of unboxing, you know, products, whatever. Let me know what you would like to see and if this is definitely something you want to continue seeing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Mwah! See you in the next video. Bye.